everyone. A red, a green, and a yellow die are tossed. What is the probability that the following occurs? And we're talking about a six-sided die. We're going to answer these 4 questions. So for on the dice, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you toss out all 3 of the dice, and you get, if you get all 4s, that would be the red die would be 1/6, the green would be 1/6, and then the yellow one would be 1/6. You multiply that out, you get 1 divided by 6 cubed, which is 1 divided by 216. Now, we don't want any of the dice to show a 4. So that would just be 5/6 times 5/6 times 5/6. It could be anything else but the 4. So there's 5 options. So that's going to be 5 cubed divided by 6 cubed, which is 125 divided by 216. All right. Now, let's go to the next one. The red die shows an even number. So you know on the dice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 3 even numbers. Not the 3. All right. So the red die shows an even number. So that's 3 out of 6. Okay. The other 2 die show different odd numbers. So the odd numbers would be 1, 2, 3 as well. So the first die, it doesn't matter if it's yellow or green, that would be 3 over 6. But the second one has to be different than the first one. So say we got a 1, that means there's only 2 left, 2 out of 6. So that's going to be 216. And then we have 9 times 2 is 18. And that definitely can be reduced. Let's see, 18 divided by 216. And that's going to equal 1/12. All right. So just be careful when it says different odd numbers. So this one is dependent on this one, but we still have 6 choices here because it's 3 different die. All 3 die show the same number. So this one's a little confusing, but the first choice, let's just pick the die. So we can have, you roll out the red one, and the first number that comes up is the number you want. So that's just 6 choices out of 6. All right. So whatever number you get, then you want the second one to be that same number. So whatever that is, that's going to be only 1 choice out of 6. And the second one's only going to be 1 out of 6. So this first one is kind of like a freebie. Because whatever you choose for this number, say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can have any of these. So say the first roll was a 5. So say we got a 5 here. So then these second 2 die also have to show a 5, and there's only 1 6 there. So our total, this is just 1. So our total is going to be 1 divided by 36. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.